back. To be showing you guys 5 quick and easy hairstyles you can do, especially if you're like in a rush like for school and you need to do like a quick like hairstyle. This is some hairstyles that you can do, so let's get into it. Okay, first we're gonna start by braiding the hair. And you can even leave it like this if you want to, but I'm just gonna like curl it to add more, you know. Hey guys, this is the first hairstyle, just like 2 simple braids. Okay, my hair literally looks crazy right now. But the next hairstyle, you just need a claw clip and just take some hair. Okay, my hair looks messy, but for my next hairstyle, you're just gonna need 2 hair clips and you're just gonna Okay, I know that last hairstyle was kind of crazy. It's because my hair is like crazy right now because some parts are like curled and some parts are just like not curled. For my next hairstyle, you're gonna need 2 rubber bands and we're just gonna Okay, that last hairstyle was too messy, but that was the point. For my last hairstyle, it's very simple and quick. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I know my hair is like a mess, but these hairstyles work really well. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep it for more.